really excited to have you join us to get a sneak peek at science at sea and see what it's like to live on a ship for a few weeks at a time.
Let's get to the ship and meet some of the folks that are currently at sea.
Going to show you guys some corals that have been sampled.
We have a pretty good sized swift here.
Yeah, that's fantastic. It's exciting to see so many healthy corals, both on the ship and in the lab.
And what we know about these corals literally fits in my hand. What we don't know fills the rest of this room. We're almost learning something every day about them. And those are going to fill knowledge gaps that we don't have right now. There's no way that we can protect these animals in the wild if we don't have a good handle on what their microenvironment is.
And it looks like we are watching these corals be fed live as we speak from the Galveston lab.
So we get different scales that we can look at. We can look at water movement really close to the coral, but we can also look at larger scale.
If we continue to introduce folks to these habitats, they'll care about them and want to, protect them and do work to restore them. So yeah, that leaves me very hopeful coming off of this expedition.
It's very abstract. We learn a lot from TV, from photos, from media pieces. It's important that we appreciate the marine habitat that we have, and we celebrate it in a way by studying it more, learning more about it in a way that we don't impact it.